Hi, this is JB Lennox, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be making some breakfast. You know what I'm saying? I ain't done one of these in a minute. So here we go. We're just cooking it on up. So we're gonna use some white onions for this one. Yes, we are. Let me see which side opens up better. Yeah. Okay, there's that side. All right. Now we're gonna peel off the outermost layer of the onion, and we're gonna go to town. We're gonna start cutting. So I'll go along each ring. To the desired amount of onion that you would like for your potatoes. We're gonna just fry up some potatoes today. We're gonna put some egg and chorizo. It's a nice, quick, nice little breakfast, you know what I'm saying? Would have been oatmeal, but I didn't do oatmeal today, so bear with me on that, people. Then we can go ahead and put our leftover in. Nice and flat, right? Let's go. Fry the onion nice and first. Now, I'm not peeling my red potatoes. I always keep the skin on, but it's up to you if you want to go ahead and, let me just get this closer. If you want to go ahead and let your potatoes stay peeled, or I mean stay unpeeled, or if you want to peel them off yourself. Completely up to you. So, I love the taste of red potato with the skin peeled. Or, I mean, with the skin on it. Then it actually holds a lot of fiber in there, and it helps with like varicose veins and stuff like that. So keeping the skin on the potatoes is actually really good for you. And very beneficial. So I was like, heck yeah, I'm gonna keep the skin on there anyway. I really don't mind the taste. So, for everyone to each your own, but in the nutrition course that I had took, there is a lot of fiber that's in the skin of potatoes, and it really does help with varicose veins. So if you're trying to prevent that, or if you have that, it's actually supposed to help with it. So there's a bit of knowledge I can spread your way. So ever since I had heard that, I was like, oh, okay, well, that doesn't sound too bad to actually start considering making my potatoes with then, I mean, whether I had varicose veins or not, I just like the flavor. But it's a pretty dang good reason to, go ahead and keep it going. But, it's just really good in fiber. So, whatever. Now, I'm using about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm using 6. They're kind of small potatoes for this breakfast. And I'm just gonna go ahead and toss them in once these onions are fried up a little bit. So normally I would actually fry up in water first, but today we're just gonna go ahead and start it off in the oil, which I'm using regular olive oil. Again, that's your preference. Some people use canola, some people use different kind of oil, but I choose olive. How we're doing this. So I hope you guys are really enjoying these videos, and I thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching them. Really does mean a lot to me. It's actually becoming quite a hit, and I'm just like, wow, thank you. Yeah. So we're gonna golden these onions. We're gonna try not to burn them, or try your hardest not to burn them. So you'll be able to tell the difference. This is a white onion too, by the way. You'll be able to tell the difference with the smell from the way that it smells when it's still fresh onion, you know, like before it's cooked, to the time that you know that it's already cooked through. And then you're going to know because it starts smelling really heavenly inside the house. You just smell the difference. That, and also too, you can tell by the look. So I'm gonna let that brown a little bit before we add the potatoes. Over here chopping away like an amateur. You know how noisy was it? Let's see. Like an amateur. Oh my gosh, that's so funny. All right. Cut up the rest of these, and then we're just gonna go ahead and add it in. And then we're gonna get started on letting this sit for a minute. So I hope everyone's week has been a very successful week. I hope everyone's been having some really good news. I just hope everyone's peace is in the air, and you know, you guys have actually taken on this new challenge, which is gratitude and words of wisdom. It's a 100-day challenge. This is going to keep everybody motivated and humbled, and also to help us reawaken some things if we might have, you know, overlooked some things, or, you know, just things we take advantage. We take for granted on a day-to-day basis. You know, just small things in life. And realize exactly what we have. Just a nice challenge. So I really do hope people participate in it. I actually have gotten, you know, someone who did say that they were willing to accept the challenge, and I'm really, really, really excited about that. Thank you so much for joining in. Let's see. So we're going to go ahead and let this brown. Well, not brown, it's golden. Golden. Keyword golden. It looks beautiful. Nice and golden, beautiful color. Now we add in. Okay, there we go. We're just going to go ahead and slide this on in. So the potatoes were previously washed before I started the video. And of course you want to wash your fruits, your vegetables, and always make sure you wash your hands before you're cooking. You don't want anyone to get sick. I highly encourage that you do that. Practice safe, sanitary cooking. And drop some of those. It's okay, those potatoes will grow right back. Yes, they will. Ooh.